some sun. We're going to see the clouds break apart overnight, which means more sun on the way, at least some sun on the way for the day tomorrow. Live look over the city right now. That is not the case. Mostly cloudy skies currently here downtown. But again, some breaks in those clouds occurring. 22 degrees, and it feels more like 16. More of the same into the day tomorrow in terms of our temperatures. But we're going to flip the switch here as we go late week. And just to check in with our stats right now, December high temperatures, you see we started off very mild with temps above average, all of those red dates, and then we dropped big time, especially last week on the 23rd, that high of 1 below. That hurt, especially with those wind chills 30, 40 below. So right now for the month, we're about 2.9 degrees below average, and today that's the case as well with our temperatures below average. Live Doppler 7 max right now. We're mostly quiet. We can't rule out a few passing flurries, but mainly northwest Indiana for the night tonight. Nothing major here. Anything that does fall will be on the light side. We're tracking these temps because as those clouds break apart overnight, they will continue to drop. Woodstock, you're at a chilly 15, Midway sitting at 22. And you can see some action and activity here across our area, mainly on the other side of the lake, but also a few snowflakes possible here, especially in northwest Indiana. We had a little disturbance rotate through, brought us a few snow showers earlier today. That is now moving off to the east and the southeast of us. So really the takeaway, mainly dry and quiet, the exception being a passing snow shower or two in northwest Indiana. And then as those clouds clear out overnight, another cold start to the day tomorrow. We're used to it by now, right? You need all of the layers. You need to bundle up. Tomorrow's high temps in the 20s, and we get you that sunshine, which will at least look nice. But in terms of our wind chills, winds will start to pick up during the day tomorrow. So we wake up, it feels like it's near zero, and really throughout the day, it feels like it's below 20 degrees tomorrow. That puts it into perspective. But come Wednesday, we will see these temperatures start to climb back above average. Tomorrow, we get you that sunshine. It's just going to be a rather cold day. Thankfully, not as cold as some days last week, though. By Wednesday, up to 41 degrees. That's our transition day. We do start to warm up there. By Thursday, 52 for our high. And just think, late last week, we had wind chills at 30 below. So it's going to feel about 80, 90 degrees warmer than when we had those drastically low wind chills. So this is a big pattern change. It's not just for us. It's a good part of the country. As we go late week, we're going to see this warm air just surge across the middle to the eastern half of the country. In terms of our skies, we're quiet for the day tomorrow, highs in the 20s. As we go into our Wednesday, we'll have increasing clouds, but those temperatures start to climb. Winds out of the south. We'll get a little bit active as we go Thursday into Friday, with those temperatures climbing above average as well. And then just to hit on that Buffalo snowfall, western New York just getting buried this month. Buffalo over the past 72 hours, 43 inches of snow. But for the season, they've picked up close to 100. I mean, their average season snowfall is 95 inches. This is just remarkable, record-setting snowfall there, and we're seeing the impacts and the effects from that area. And it's really all due to that relatively warm lake water causing the lake effect snow episodes. Not what we're seeing here at home, but we have had that cold weather. Tomorrow we're in the 20s. We'll see that transition to warmer weather late week. We do have some clouds here as we go into the new year. We'll take those temperatures in the 40s, a few showers at times. We'll break down the timing of the rain and those showers as we go late week coming up in that next half hour. But for now, we'll send it back to you, focusing on that warm up.